In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a voice from the voice library quickly and easily so you can save it to your account and use it later anytime you want. This is a super helpful feature if you're working with lots of voices and want faster access to your favorites without searching again and again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Let's jump in. First, open the Voices section from the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all of the voice tools and voice management options inside ElevenLabs. Once you're in the Voices area, look for the Explore tab and click it. Explore is what opens the voice library, which is the place where you can browse available voices that you can add to your own collection. Now that the voice library is open, you can either scroll through the available voices or use the search bar if you already know the name or style of the voice you want. This makes it much easier to find the exact voice you're looking for, whether you want something calm, energetic, professional, or more character-like. Take your time here and preview the options until you find the one that fits your project. Once you find a voice you want to import, look for the plus button next to it. Click that plus button to save the voice to My Voices. This is the step that actually imports the voice into your account, so after you do this, the voice is no longer just in the library. It becomes part of your personal collection for easy access later. This is really useful because it saves time and keeps your favorite voices organized in one place. After clicking the plus button, go over to My Voices to make sure the voice was added successfully. You should see the imported voice appear in your collection. If it shows up there, that means the import worked and you're all set. From this point on, you can select that voice directly from voice selection menus anywhere inside ElevenLabs, which makes your workflow much faster and more efficient. And that's it. You've now imported a voice from the voice library and saved it to My Voices for future use. It's a simple process, but once you know it, it can save you a lot of time when managing multiple voice projects. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.